Dr. Rosen from Education Update. It is our honor to be here in the Bronx this morning with President Matos Rodriguez of Hostos Community College, who is one of the partners in a cultural arts festival by young children here in the Bronx. And there are many, many honored guests here today. President Rodriguez, can you tell us who some of the guests are and what the purpose of this is?
Well, thank you for being here first, and we're hosting the Dream Big event. It's an event to raise awareness for the Children's Museum in the Bronx. We hope to have that museum up and running right next to Hostos in a couple of years, and we're honored to have today with us the Honorable Justice Sonia Sotomayor from the Supreme Court. Her mother is an alumni from Hostos. She graduated from our nursing program about 40 years ago. We also have the Surgeon General emphasizing a message to the children about good nutrition and about the importance of physical activity at an early age to fight obesity and other health issues. We have our own Congressman Jose Serrano, who's here. We had Senator Judevan, who also visited before. And we have a very special guest who is sort of the mistress of ceremony for all the events that we're doing here with the children. Sonia Manzano, who you remember as Maria from Sesame Street, is also here with the children. The children have been participating in workshops all summer long, and today they get to showcase their talent and their work in front of this great audience. And that's what also is about. It's about collaborating with the community. It's about achieving the full potential of young people. So we're delighted to be hosting this event here in the Bronx today.
It's a pleasure to be here again, and Education Update has very special connections here today. Number one, I, as the publisher, was born in South America, so I have Spanish roots. Number two, we're doing special articles on nutrition, including the Harvard School of Public Health, that will be contributing, so please visit us on our website. The nutrition perspective is a very, very important one. Diabetes control, obesity control. So we're delighted that the Surgeon General, Regina is here. We plan to speak to her later. And of course, it's always a pleasure to have somebody from the Supreme Court who will be ruling about all of these wonderful Bronx students. Hopefully they will one day appear, not before the court being tried, but as members of the court. That's the aspiration. So it is a pleasure to be here. And thank you so much for letting us visit.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, I'm going to explain to you kids why I applaud you. You know, I get a lot of attention. I get to stand up in front of the president. I even get him to kiss my cheeks a couple of times. That's pretty special, okay? And I'm actually living my dreams and more than my dreams, because I didn't even know what the Supreme Court was when I was 5, 6, and 7 years old, like you are. I didn't find out what the Supreme Court was about until I was in college. See, that's a part of why I'm applauding you, because you're smarter than me. Strange to think, but you are. You know why? Because you're bothering at a very, very young age to learn. And you're doing something even more important. You're taking charge of your life. It took me a very, very long time to understand that by taking charge of my life and by learning about the things that I had to do and about the troubles I was facing and about the difficulties that I had, that was the way I was going to get ahead. And you're doing and understanding that right now. I want all of you kids and everyone in the audience to join me in welcoming America's Dr. Regina.
Wow, this has been a great day, and hello to my new friends, all the kids that I met this morning and got to know and dance with and played drums with and had a good time with. But I really want to spend a little time talking to our kids and our students. Programs like the Children's Museum help you learn and learn as much as you can about everything you can. You can never have too much knowledge. And the last thing is to dream big. I hope that you, as we've been talking about earlier, want to become a doctor or a lawyer or a teacher or a business owner or anything you want to be, as long as you dream big. We really do need more doctors. And we also need more minority doctors. I don't know if you know, but while 25% of this nation is minority, less than 7% of the physicians in this country are minority. And for the adults, that's the same percentage as the Flexion report back in 1910. We really need to encourage young kids to go into health careers, into dream big. And so you can be a Supreme Court justice, or you can be the next Surgeon General. I can't do this job forever, and I need somebody to take it over when I leave. So I hope it's you. I hope that those of you who are adults here in this room today and your friends will continue to support programs like the Bronx Children Museum, because we need these kind of programs and places for kids to go to learn, places for them to go and have a good time, and places that they can be inspired to become Supreme Court justices and Surgeon Generals. Thank you very much.